gonna bring it here.
Let's go! Let's go!
Oh!
Let's go! Now we know we beat.
Welcome to another exciting game of Office Games. Before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, let us know in the comments what you want us to do next. But today, we're playing
Foam football toss-a-rooni.
Foam football Toss-a-rooni. 3 teams of 3. Dave will throw the ball to Sophie, then Sophie will throw the ball to whoever stands at that box at the end. Then you go back and forth for 4 minutes. If you catch it outside the box, or if you drop, it does not count. Every completed pass, your team will yell out the number of passes. So it's up to you guys to keep track of your score. And I think, without further ado, let's get started. Go!
Oh boy.
Oh god, now I can't.
That's 1. Yeah.
That's 2, baby, we're fine. 2, 3. 4.
Woo! Good catch.
5.
Oh, you got it!
No, 7. That's my bad.
12. I got a minute.
7.
14.
Oh! Oh! Just a bit outside. 16.
No!
Oh my god, this thing's going the complete opposite way. I'm absolutely
Will.
Come on, catch
19.
up. 20. 23.
Change piece.
Should I throw that one?
You got the best strategy here.
How many do we have?
26.
28 going on.
Good job.
Oh no! 30. Oh no!
What do we have? I'm winning. 30.
They have 30?
These guys over on our right have dropped it like 10 times.
What's that?
Alright, here we are. AJ, Will. By far. I can't catch anything.
Oh, damn.
Holy shit, bro. Butterfinger is real. That's bullshit.
Oh, you got it! What a catch! What a grab!
Wow.
Oh, Kevin Chester!
41!
42.
That is not true.
7, come on!
Right there.
What do we actually have? You think like 18?
Doing awful right now. Doing awful.
1 minute 43 left!
Come on, man.
Whoa! Jonathan, that was actually a good one.
I'm
Strip sack.
39.
42.
39. Officially 39.
I thought you actually had 42. That could have been an ACL.
Oh my goodness, my fingers!
40.
40.
41.
42.
42. 43.
Oh, let's go!
44.
That's a catch!
26.
Is this one of those curveball balls?
47.
48.
48.
Good catch, Dante. I love it.
51. Whoa! That's a foul! That's a foul, ref!
That's 2 fouls!
Hey, why is our box smaller than theirs? Who drew these boxes right here?
Nuts box is so small.
Why is our box so small?
Russ's feet don't even fit in this.
54.
Are these boxes regulation size or what?
Oh no.
54.
Like knockout. Rust on the money.
13. 13. Oh, no! 10. 9. 8.
You got a curveball. You got a
6. 5.
He got it!
It's over. Are you kidding me? He's on the
last second. The last.
That was ridiculous. What happened?
I'm sweating right now.
All right.
I wasn't counting, but
So, can someone tell me how many points each team has?
57 for us, officially, too.
Officially 57.
17.
17. What? We only have 7.
What do we
Yikes.
have for us?
Hold on, what happened?
59.
How much?
59?
Maybe.
Man, they missed it. I don't think so.
Well, unofficially 57. I don't know what.
You just said officially like 2 minutes ago.
I mean, it was up to you guys to keep count.
So if what you're telling me is we say our score confidently, it's accepted?
I'm saying for YouTube, if you want to cheat,
I'd say we won.
Whoa.
The amount of actual.
Listen. Johnny's rigged. He's been bought.
Wait, who?
Anybody time we go to the replay, I don't know what's happening here. John, I don't know. Sophie, I'm gonna need you to look into the official replay. These people are saying in the 50s. I'm saying no shot Moreno.
I am going, from what I've heard, from how the counting went, I'm gonna go Big Mike's team won because they sound
Unofficially!
That's crazy.
We have a lot of confusion, as any good office games has. A lot of confusion.
There's no shot we won. Give it to the middle team.
All right, congratulations, middle team. They forfeit.
By default!
By default.
Kevin.
By default. By default.
We're here with the winning team. Congratulations. A lot of confusion. Woo. But Big Mike forfeited, so you guys win.
Let's go.
How does it feel to win by default?
Check the tape, you know what
Check the
happened.
tape. Check the tape. That'll
We
show the true
demolished
winner.
them. We demolished them.
Hell
Check
yeah.
it, we did it. No problem.
I mean, Dave, you've been here now 3 weeks. You've won 2 office games. I mean, you're pretty good right now.
Not bad.
Kevin and I are 2 for 2 when we're together right now.
Yeah.
This is my first
Can't
win.
lie.
Giving Russ his first win as well.
My first win. I almost won. We almost won the relay race lost by an ounce though.
Oh, that was us though.
Yeah.
I had my Crocs in track mode.
Sport mode.
Right there.
Attack mode, whatever you want to
On the
call it.
back. Yep. So I honestly give it to the Crocs. I think I got it, you know?
So we got another game next week. Maybe we'll do another team battle. Are you guys sticking with the team right here?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, we might as well.
Why not?
Stick with what works.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Congratulations to this team for winning. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, let us know in the comments what you want us to do next week. If you can think of a better name for the show instead of, what was it, John?
Squishy football Toss-a-rooni.
Squishy football Toss-a-rooni. Let us know in the
like
comments.
that.
I kind of like it too. But if you have something better, just let us know. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll be back next week.
Make sure to buy some We Made Too Much stuff.